We're gonna do the Macarena. While people are watching us. The next car's all the way down there. We're gonna wait though. Today's Friday. Happy Friday.
Let's go.
Woo! Yeah! We're gonna keep this going. We got one more.
Oh, let's go.
We have one more. What the hell? Yeah! There's another car! Oh crap, look at how many cars are there. You at least have to get one. Oh, you did it? I didn't see it. Last one, and then I'm going to stop recording. Wait, this car gets a Macarena because it's a Cadillac. But it didn't give us a honk. And that goes on the phone, that's illegal.
My dad.
Stupid.